Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hello! Hi! We have a special guest today.
Gemma Stafford!
Yay! You guys know her channel. It's called Bigger Bolder Baking. She's amazing.
She's awesome.
She's amazing. And this is our first ever collaboration.
And you know what? That's really exciting.
Well, you're also like an amazing chef, and so we're like, what are we going to show Gemma? She can do everything.
I know what I'm good at, and I know what I'm not good at, and cookie decorating is one of those things.
Okay, cool. Well, we have some really fun stuff today. So.
Yes, some fun stuff. And you don't have to be like the best cookie decorator.
No.
Good. I like that.
Give it a try.
Keep saying those things.
And also, Gemma is a huge Office fan.
A huge Office
She
fan.
said she knows the show like backwards and forwards, so I'm going to give her a quiz. And you guys can
excited.
play along. You can play along. See, maybe, do you beat Gemma? Or Josh, do you want to play?
I'll play.
Okay, we'll play against Josh.
Yeah, I'll play.
Who knows the Office better, my husband or Gemma? Or you guys? All right, so Gemma, will you tell us a little bit about yourself, like where you're from and how you came to the USA?
Yeah, I'm from Ireland. Mm-hmm. I live in Santa Monica now. Mm-hmm. I've been in California for 10 years almost.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know, it's been a long time. My accent is still as strong as the day I left.
I love it so much.
I do too.
We really want to go to Ireland. We've never been.
Yeah, I saw you were in
us.
Scotland.
Yes.
Ireland's just a hop over.
I know. If we'd had more time. So we'll hit you up for places to go.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll stop by and see your mom.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I do. I am a professionally trained chef, so I've been doing this a long time. I studied professional cookery, and then I also went to the school in Ireland called Ballymaloo Cookery School, which is this lovely little cooking school in Cork. It's kind of on a farm, and it's self-sufficient, and it's amazing.
All right, Josh, what are we making today?
Okay, so we saw that you are a big pizza fan.
Yep, that's
so
true.
we went on your website, biggerbolderbaking.com, and we saw all these different pizza recipes.
I love pizza.
Right?
I've made pizza in a mug, pizza rolls, pizza Pop-Tarts, like pretty much anything you can make into a pizza, we've done it.
All of your pizzas look so good. We were looking on your website, and it literally made me hungry.
Yeah.
I was like, and I actually said, you know when you say something aloud and I didn't realize Josh had walked away? I was like, her pizzas look really good, Josh.
I was like, what, honey?
So we thought today we could add a pizza recipe.
Love it.
To your
Yes.
list of recipes.
Because I really don't know how to make pizza.
I don't know how to make cookies, so
I know
we're
how to make a cookie pizza.
Nice.
Cookie pizza!
Yeah, so we're gonna make sugar cookie pizzas today.
Do you have one we can show her?
Yeah, here, let me go show
We
you.
made one yesterday, you guys. It's so cute.
Special delivery for Gemma Stafford.
And we got these little pizza boxes. I will say, Josh has made these for school parties, and you can bring it in the little pizza box or even just on a plate. Everybody just flips out because they're like, what?
They're gorgeous.
It looks so cute. So this is what we're going to go for today. Ta-da.
That's crazy how the cheese is melting over the side.
I know.
It's like that extra step, Josh.
That's the cool thing about these pizzas is that you can be messy with it. Pizza's a lot like life, you know? It's messy.
Oh my gosh.
Around the edges sometimes.
Deep thoughts with Josh Snyder.
The first thing we need to do is to cut out the actual pizza cookie. So I rolled out the dough, and I used the lid of a saucepan as my cookie cutter. They don't really make cookie cutters that big. So I cut out a big circle, and then I split it into 8 different sections for the pizza. So now that the cookies are done, it's time to start decorating. Okay, so let's get started decorating the pizzas.
All right.
So the first thing we're going to decorate is the crust. We're going to need the outline and flood crust icing, which is a very light brown.
Are you guys ready
Let's
for
do it.
the Office Trivia Quiz?
Yay!
I had to put my readers on because that's where life's at right now, folks. So in Diversity Day, what is on Kevin's forehead?
Oh,
Wait.
I know.
Oh yeah, you guess first.
Oh, I don't know.
I think I know what it is.
Okay.
Italian.
Yes, that is correct. And also in Diversity Day, what's on my forehead? Are you guys playing along?
You don't want to play
Wait,
games
is
with
it Jewish?
me. I know.
No, it's not.
I know. Sorry, Jamaican.
That's right. Who is Asian?
So Dwight is Asian.
Dwight is Asian. What is Stanley?
Stanley is black.
Yes. And then what is Michael Scott?
He only shows up for a little bit. He doesn't play in the game.
Ooh, she knows the episode.
I don't know what Michael is.
Okay, Michael is Martin Luther King Jr.
Oh yeah, yeah, I remember.
Yeah. All right.
The second thing we're going to do is to make the sauce. We're going to use a 20-second dark red icing, and we're just going to go around the edges of the cookie so that the sauce is just visible once we put the cheese on.
What color does Angela think is whorish?
Oh, I know.
I know.
Yes.
Green.
Yay!
Yay!
That's an easy one.
That's the only one I'm going to get.
How does Michael injure himself in the injury?
He clamped his foot in a George Foreman grill.
He did. All right, here's an easy one, Josh.
Okay.
Well, watch him not get it. Okay, who started the fire?
Oh, Dwight.
No!
Fire guy.
Yeah, in the fire.
Well, no,
episode.
like now, to be fair, Dwight did start a fire in the office to teach us fire safety.
Fire safety,
Yeah,
right?
right?
Is it
So-
something different?
No, but there's a famous person who started a fire, and we all had to.
Billy Joel.
No, but
Ryan.
but they did sing Ryan started the fire.
Oh.
Okay,
That's where I got the name Fire Guy.
This
Ryan
is
the
not
Champ.
going well.
At Jim and Pam's wedding in the Niagara episode, what was Kevin wearing on his feet?
What's your question? He didn't have anything on his feet.
It was tissue boxes.
That's correct. Oh my gosh, you're doing very well.
Wow,
Do we
she's
have a
doing
tally?
great.
Do we have a tally?
I think she's ahead.
What musical did Dwight perform in when he was in the 7th grade?
Oh, do you know what?
I didn't know
just
this
watched
one.
this.
I didn't know this one.
You know, I don't think I don't think I'm gonna be able to name that.
Is it a musical that is popular?
I think so.
Yeah.
I didn't know this one. Oklahoma.
I was in
Taking a
Oklahoma
pop-
as a kid.
You were?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what was your
I
role?
played Will Parker. Yep, I learned how to tap dance.
How did you do?
It did not go well. Well, here's the
not the
thing. I'm not a
dancer.
dancer at all. I practiced so hard every day after school. And I was doing my like time step and everything. I thought I was great, you know,
Yeah.
by that point. And then I watched the video back, and I had this look on my face, like
What were you?
concentrating the whole time, totally out of character.
You just look like a
and I'm
crazy person.
terrible. Now the cheese is so much fun because you can just glob it on. And for the cheese, we're going to use a 20-second light tan icing. Now make it really light, closer to white than tan. Glob it on for the first layer. Let it dry for a little bit, and then we're going to add another layer. And this one can be even more messy, because mozzarella cheese on a pizza is super messy. After done with that, we're going to let that dry. Now, if you want a cheese pizza, you're done. that's all there is to it. But if you would like to put on some pepperonis and some other toppings, let's keep going.
All right, here we go. Here's another one. Who said it to whom? I call it Pam Pong. I count how many times Jim gets up from his desk and goes to reception to talk to you.
Phyllis.
Angela.
Dang it.
I even tried to say it like in like a bitchy tone to give you a hint.
It's impossible,
All right,
babe.
all right. All right, this is an easy one. Who said it?
Okay.
Poop is raining from the ceilings. Poop!
Oscar.
You might have to stop playing.
Have you met her?
You might have to stop playing.
Angela said it when a bat got into the office.
Are these
Yes.
all about you?
No, but I just did a few about me. You should just guess me.
Okay, I will from now on.
Guess me. I don't know. I didn't know if this would stump you, but maybe you seem to know everything, so maybe not. The opening credits of the show, there's footage of Scranton. Mm-hmm. Who filmed that?
Ooh, Angela.
No.
I don't know. What should I know that?
It's a very obscure little detail, but I love it.
I don't know. I honestly don't know the answer to that.
John Krasinski.
No.
Yes, he was driving through with some friends and he filmed it himself, just a little scene of like Scranton as he drove through. The producers loved it and they used it in the opening credits.
Did you know?
That's
Did your friend
crazy.
know that?
He did.
He did know that.
He knew that, which is crazy.
He did know that.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah. He also knows the radio station that was on a sticker on the side of a file cabinet that was by Phyllis's desk.
Do you know that?
Yeah, Froggy FM.
Oh!
That's crazy.
That's how I know you're watching the episodes with a fine.
That's how you know I'm watching it on
Fine
Netflix.
eye.
I'm in bed like this, like super
That's
close.
so funny. So now we're going to put on the pepperonis. And for the pepperonis, you're going to need outline red icing and red flood icing. For the pepperoni details, I use an outline pink icing. And this is just for the little dots on the pepperoni that make it look like a pepperoni. The next thing we're going to use is black outline icing for the olives. Make little circles all around your pizza.
Oh, my olives don't look like olives.
Oh.
Mine don't either. Look at mine are square.
It's really
Okay,
made a
they're
mistake
all
with
mushed
them.
up in a pizza anyway.
Yours are all round though.
I don't know.
No, because he has a steady hand.
I don't know. This.
I don't have a steady hand.
Now we're going to add the green peppers, and for the green peppers we use an outline green icing. And for the onions we use a light purple outline icing.
Okay, Gemma, let's see your
All
pizza.
right, you did
Let's
great.
See, you did
Oh my
so
gosh.
great.
I'm gonna hold up the best looking one because
Yeah.
some of them are a little bit questionable.
Come on go.
That's really good.
You know what?
It's like professional.
I didn't know it was going to be this easy, and like I saw yours beforehand, and I was a little bit scared. But this is really fun.
Yeah,
It's really fun,
The
right?
pizzas are a great transition to decorating cookies.
And then you've got this one. Mine is like, brrr.
But it still looks. If you put that together and and took that to a party, it's still gonna be a hit.
Well, I think I just get to eat the icing that's slopping off the side. We so appreciate you coming on
Yes,
our
thank you
channel,
so
and
much.
Thank you.
we're just learning so much, and it just really means a lot to us. Like you've just really shown us so much kindness, and Kevin, your husband, and we just really appreciate you guys. So I wanted to give you a little something. I took a few props from set, and I have one that I thought I would give you. This is from Dwight and Angela's wedding. Everyone that came to Dwight and Angela's wedding got this wedding program.
That is really incredible. Oh
Absolutely.
my god.
I do have one for me too. So
Yeah.
That's because I'm your one, is it?
I didn't give away my only one.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm framing this.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for being on
Yes,
our
thank
channel.
you so
Thank you
much.
guys for having
Yeah.
me. I really
Yes.
appreciate it. It's so much fun.
So much fun. And now Josh and I are going to be on Gemma's channel as well. It's called Bigger Bolder Baking. Go check it out.
Right now, check it
Right
out.
now.
Check it out.
And we're making
Edible cookie dough.
edible
Yes.
cookie dough.
It was so good.
It was
So delicious.
You guys did
good.
awesome.
You'll find out what a fluffer nutter is.
Yeah, there you go.
If you don't know
I
already.
knew what a fluffer nutter was, but I didn't know you could put it in cookie dough. And go check out Gemma's website, which is biggerbolderbaking.com.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
And
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Yay!
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I don't know why I do that. Why-
That's okay, keep
why
doing
do
this.
you need
I
me
love
to
it.
raise the
Raise the
roof?
roof.
Don't mind her.
Okay,
Just
raise the
talk.
roof. Okay, bye.
I love trying to do an Irish accent so much.
Don't do your Irish
Do
accent.
so
your
good.
Irish accent.
All it is, something happens to the back of my throat, and then it just goes. I mean, it's terrible.
All of you go now to Jenna's YouTube. Oh my god, I called you Jenna.
That's okay.
Oi.
We're going to be best friends anyway soon, so it doesn't matter.
Holding for track music. Sorry. Sometimes I make up silly songs, Gemma.
Like
That's okay. I
All
won't
the
hold it
time.
against you.
Okay, don't.